Skinny. See, 3 days ago the eye forward in still,
Wow.
Yeah, man. I come to take a little breeze out from out of the ice box, Get some sunshine and thing, Yeah, man. So I want to tell you, say, see how me dress up here now. Me all white. It's an all white party. The eye forward, Yeah, man. Don't a pure one. Yes. I don't them want to reach. So me dey rent a car and thing, So a long time me not too driving a Jamaica and Jamaica road and easy like that because all new highway me I tell you say it looks so good, it glistening. So but then I wonder when I could I get a driver still, because when I left here, I never knew you could have drive. So, me not really had to check for you because I like to reach back in Canada, they me know what don't nothing to me. On the road, you understand? Someone you get a good driver for me, you understand? We can't bother with the shatter driver them. Yeah, man, them one day like when the bus I left from halfway tree go a Spanish town. We can't bother with them the type of driving there, man. Yeah, man. So, where I say, eh? You road them up in Canada, eh? Them road the upper Canada. One of the worse than that pan them. And plenty time me I watching news and see some things are going pan them road there. All car just a road over. Eh? And you come and go and like say, our road them. Eh? Worse than them road them. And this year I try this man, no, But but now that I like to reach back in Canada, in one piece. You understand me? I tell you. So let's get a good driver the thing. You understand? So we can forward them a clear one early. You understand? Yeah, man. Me just go and drink a one dragon ya still, on the corner, yeah, not easy myself. Yeah, man, cause we are only for time still, I'm not too like a party early, This a man, me go a party at 1 o'clock. You understand? Yeah, man, I just go and build for 1, 2, 3 hours. When the good artists then come on and thing. Yeah, and then we just leave. Yeah, man, that's so me do my thing, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. so everything with you. Yeah, man. And skinny and broady and jacko and the whole of them. I really can't leave a thing for no still, but tomorrow thing that's right I know the party they for me head. A long time I want no party, Yeah, man. Kinda easy to party up a foreign day, in a cold day, man. When I took day up there go, man. Just be a work, man. So sometimes you want all a good party, forward at Jamaica. Yeah, man, at Jamaica, the good party them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, if you want good party, you have to roll in at Jamaica, man. Yeah, man, and them have a party thing lock. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, when you want all a good vibes, you just save up your money. Yeah, and come to Jamaica, get some good sunshine. Yeah, man. Not to mention the girls, them. When I tell you, yeah, man, the girls, them. I put on all the shades, yeah, man. We talk about the girls, them. Man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mm. The girls them down here, man, it's not like say them up so no look good, them look good, but the Jamaica one them round, and still so heavy and thing, I want to tell you, say, Yeah, one little browning. It's down the lane the way me did that pre long time before me left here, you know. Was see it with a little man, you know. I want box with him foot, you see. And take with that before me left here. Yeah, man, 2 weeks with there, man, and you know, but I like liquid foot before me left here, you know. Got long time in a
Oh
pre-tape
my
up and she a broke
God.
up, you know. So I know she look good. Roll up on thing. Yeah, man. She look good, man. Like them big beamer ass. So she look curvy. How me want those spread it out. Yo, man. Right here, now, me a talk, me a tell you, say, goosebump take me up, man, because me a tell you, say, she turn well. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. She have it lock. I tell you, man, I really want to see where I can do. Put on something on it. Wash it before we left here. Yeah, man. Make sure we come out with a little extra thing. Cause me know the Jamaican girls, them, man, them like, them like, them like money, So make sure come with some extra cash. Yeah, man, cause them like them here too. Them nails and thing, if that idiot boy, they will see I walk up and down with and come at the party with me, And that would have make a night, brother. I tell you, yeah, man. This man, I feel good. Feel say she can come at the party with I. Yeah, man. I tell you, say, it's not like me now buy a little thing up there in Canada, but I tell you, so when you come at Jamaica, man, you have to hold on pants up, man, because the Jamaican girls, them, I don't know where them have so. Why? Them so Jamaica is the land of food and water. But them have it wrong. These girls. It's Jamaica. And the food, so the food nice. So the girl them nice. I tell you, yeah, man. Drink up the liquor, yeah, man. I'll cut the foolishness, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Drink up the liquor. Yeah, man, but, I me that pray that girl for a long time still, man. I tell you, so she told me, I eat that as you come and see her, and I tell you, say, it does that reminisce, man, you understand? I tell you, I want to strap it up. Wicked to it. Probably I come down so extra heavy in the backyard. Yeah? Gotta make sure I won't 2 weeks out. Touch my arms, because true with what Jamaica, may I come and come down here with the badness. Yeah, man. Say me a bad boy long time, man. I just easy me that easy myself, Still so. Oh, pawns it. Yes, man. Pawns it. And squat it down. Nice. Yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, man. That makes you feel good. Got them boy out here and I go out with nothing. I'm a long time chopper. I'm a long time galleys. Oh dear. Just that easy through me going I can't have day. Yeah, be easy back when you go to them place there, Yeah, man. Cause them girls they over there, them not natural. Them not ordinary. least little thing them call police on you, you know. So you have to know what you do with them girl they were over Canada there, you know. Yeah, man. You can't talk one like girl is them little and nothing them call police on you. Yeah, man. I mean, police business because you see them country, they are woman country, you know. So when you go to them country, them man, no matter how you are dog in your country, you got them country there, you have to humble yourself and ease yourself. Brother man, cause you will go to prison. Yeah man, you will go to prison man. And I know gone to prison. Woman thing, you understand? Woman beating thing and the idiot thing and all them type of thing there, you know. So I man just easy myself. You understand? I make moms feel say she run things. But a yard me they know. Them can't deal with yard man anyhow when yard man they are yard. You know? So we just are going easy man. Yeah. Just shake off some things for the party. They go, I got a party they go. Hey, yeah man. Bubble up or something. At a party there, yes. A long time there ain't no party, you know. Yeah, man. So I want to show them my skills. Yeah, man. Yes, so, all right. See, oh, you get the car, you get the car. All right, all right. So, hold on, get two more little we have to drive when we look at them, you know. Yeah, we have to drive when we look at them. I peel liquor we are beat tonight. We drive when we look at them, yeah, man. And not to mention when we got the party, a beer, NSC and thing we are drink. This are just the start up. On the road, you know, feel nice on the road and thing. Yeah, man. We don't even know. We're gonna get two girls for carry, we have to go see if we bang two down in the party the car. Something must come at the party. Yeah man. So here we go up now. We'll load up in the car, you understand? And see if we can do road. Cause we are mobile, we are going, you know. You understand? And at Kingston we are living. Yeah, man. Oh, so you get a man if you drive, we not drink. Oh, yes, man, you have to do that, man. Yeah, man, you have to get that sensible man to drive. Not a drinky man. You get a nice, cool youth to drive when you're in that drinking business. Because when we start drinking, we don't know where we did it from, we bed foot. And would I like come back in a one piece? Cause more time you come from party and the man them lose control and lose them all them life and thing. We don't want nothing like that, man. We know they pan them thing. We have to get somebody sensible to drive when we are going to the party. You know, that nothing no happen and things like that. You understand what I say? And them things them you know about. You understand? So you alright then we are gonna load up now, you know? So we link you. Alright then, alright. Please to like, subscribe, and share, and you will get more funny videos from me. Okay? Okay, alright. Thank you.